It's a special day today. We're gonna stay glossy. What? You guys, it's an exciting day. We got the new Dose of Color Stay Glossy Lip Collection. How fabulous is this?
First of all, the packaging is like everything.
Her packaging is always everything. It's amazing.
And so we're gonna review this product. We're gonna also swatch it. So we're gonna apply all of these on our lips. And wow, we're so in sync. Killing it.
We're gonna be giving away some of the lippies, so stay tuned to the end of the video.
Yay!
How you win? Let's swatch.
Let's do it. Let's do it. So what's cool is that it's basically colors that we use on a daily basis.
That's what I love about the collection, is like they're all like nudes and light pinks, and they're neutral colors. So especially with the lip gloss, I actually only wear lip glosses in like these types of colors.
Yeah, I don't wear lip glosses in like, if I'm wearing a red, it's usually a matte lip paint.
Yes, exactly.
I'm not applying a gloss over it. So it's really smart that they stuck to this nude
color scheme
kind of family.
Yeah.
And okay, let's start swatching and see the consistency, because that's one of my pet peeves with glosses is when it's sticky.
Okay.
Like, it's the nastiest feeling in the world.
Remember when we used to wear MAC lip glass?
Oh, the glass was like
back in the day.
You used to do this,
and then you'd be like
glue.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, what color do you want to start with? I want to start with this one.
I have my eye on this one.
Okay, I'm using Happy Hour.
And I'm doing Spill the Deets.
Oh. So mine is a little like pinky peachy. Mine is more in the peachy pink world.
Mine is just pinky.
Pinky.
Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh, I love the color. It doesn't feel sticky at all.
That's huge.
You know, it almost has the consistency of her regular lip stains, which I love. It's like a thicker gloss.
And what I like about it is it's like actually this color.
Yeah.
Usually when you get lip glosses and you apply it, you get like no color.
Yeah.
This is actually a color. Oh my god, it matches my eye makeup.
Doesn't the consistency feel nice?
Yeah, it is good.
Does yours smell as good as mine did?
Yeah, it did. Honestly, Dose of Colors, I think they're one of the brands that kill the lip game.
Exactly. Like, they have figured it out, and they do it right every time.
Whether it's lip paints, lip glosses, lipsticks, they just have it down. So I trust anything that they really make.
Me too.
When it comes to lips. Okay, so I'm going to do this one next because it looks similar to the color that you...
Okay, I'm going to do Messy Bun, which has a little bit of like a mauve-y feel to it. Okay.
Mine is a little mauve-y too. It's just...
Mine is slightly darker.
And mine is a little pinkier. Okay. And mine is just my type.
I love this color.
Ooh, that looks good with your blouse.
It looks good with my blouse, right? Messy Bun.
These are awesome to keep in your bag and just like on the go.
Yes.
You need like hydration. Not overkill if you don't have like a lot of makeup on.
It's not. Because of the nude colors. They're perfect. I'm going to now do like this baby pink, which is called Dolly.
And I'm going to do Jazzy. Ooh. It has a hint of shimmer, as you guys could see.
This is like a true baby pink.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I like it. Next, I will do Seriously. So now we're in the nude brown family. I'm
going to do Can You Not?
What? Oh. I'm like, what?
Super nude.
Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that a lot. Which one is Can You Not?
Can You Not?
Okay. This isn't one of my favorite colors.
I actually really like that a lot because it's like, it's very nude.
Yeah, it's nude with brown. All right, next one.
Okay, I'm gonna go with this light brown color, which is Honey, I'm Home.
I'm gonna do on repeat.
This is literally the color of honey.
Oh, that's cute.
Really? I feel like with my complexion, I'm not a fan. Ooh,
I love it.
love it.
It's just like a good standard nude.
Yeah. Next, we're gonna go to the white one. So I'm gonna do like the white shimmer one, which is called Goals with a Z.
And then I'm gonna do Save the Date.
I think these were meant to be paired with other colors.
Yeah.
For a little bit of shine. But here's what it looks like on its own.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah.
It's like the...
Pleasantly surprised.
Oh, this is too aggressive for me. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
It's like white, but it has a strong hint of shimmer, pink shimmer.
Like a pearly shimmer to it.
Yeah, it's like mother of pearl.
Yes. Okay, should we both put on our favorite one and surprise each other?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Wait, no. Okay, ready. I couldn't decide, so I made two of them.
You mixed them, you cheater.
I mixed Spill the Deets and Messy Bun because those were my favorites.
Mine is Happy Hour. I love this color. I don't know if I love it so much more because it matches my makeup today.
No, it's just very Nora color.
It's a very Nora color. So, you guys, the whole collection is 3, 6, 12 colors. We'll go through, we're gonna let you guys know which ones that we would pick as far as like, for me, if I'm gonna splurge on a lip gloss, like if you guys are splurging on a lip gloss, I would recommend getting a color that you could wear with a lipstick and without on its own as well. Because some of these colors are great to mix with lipsticks or lip paints.
Right.
But you want to get the best of both worlds. Wear it on its own and wear it with a lipstick. And I feel like for me, it's gonna be in the peachy world. It's the Happy Hour. I could wear this color on its own without wearing a lipstick. And then it was the tan color on repeat.
Mine was Spill the Deets and Messy Bun, even though they're very, very similar in color. And the other one I liked was the Can You Not.
Yeah, that was a really good
pretty
nude
color. Yes.
Yeah. All right, you guys, we hope you enjoyed this little review and swatch.
Yes.
So these retail for $17 each, and Ani and I are gonna be picking a few and giving them away. So what do they got to do to win?
You have to be subscribed to our channel. You have to like our video, and you have to leave a comment below. Tell us which one your favorite color was.
Yeah. Yay! And we'll see you next time.
Bye.